not just cartoons.
We're Nicktoons.
Arnold, Helga, Phoebe, Gerald, Sid, Grandpa Stinky, Harold, SpongeBob, Patrick, Sandy, keep the Krabby Patties handy, Squidward, Tito, Twister, Reggie, Rocket, Otto's sister, Ginger, Hoodsy, Carl, Macy, Junior high school life is crazy.
Not just cartoons.
We're Nicktoons.
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 Grandma sings, Pellswick rolls, Cat and dog have separate bowls, Invader Zim and Mrs. Bitters giving Dib a case of jitters, June and Henry, Baby Dill, Angelica and Phil and Lil, Susie, Kimmy, Chucky, Tommy, all their daddies and their mommies.
Not just cartoons.
We're Nicktoons.
Not just cartoons.
We're Nicktoons.
Not just cartoons.
We're Nicktoons.
Not just cartoons.
We're Nicktoons. Wanda, Cosmo, Grant, and Timmy, all his wishes gimme, gimme. Donnie, Darwin, Debbie, Mama, Liza talking to a llama. Jimmy Neutron got a blast, flying high, flying fast. Action League is in the air. The flesh ain't got no underwear.
Not just cartoons.
We're Nicktoons.
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 Coming up next, it's the Gooine Show after that saw on BooTube Network.
I just love playing with Google Translate. I'm typing in poop. I wonder what that sounds like. I'm gonna play it again! We're out of cheese, and I'm not going back to Randall's to get another pack of cheese because I just went yesterday. Wait. Annabelle has a car, and, she can just drive to Randall's and get some for me. Yeah, and she loves cheese. She goes crazy over it. She goes, oh, cheese. She does that crap. So, maybe I could just ask her. Yeah, I'm just gonna ask her. She's gonna say yes, yeah. Back from saying hello to the janitor! Annabelle, can you go to Randall's and get more cheese for me? We just ran out. Cheese! That reminds me of poop! Yeah, poop. Now, can you just go get it for me, please? Aye, Captain! Yeah, whatever.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
So Bloom wants me to drive to Randall's and get cheese for her? Then I'm gonna drive to Randall's and get cheese for her. Yeah. So, how do I even start this car? I kinda forgot.
4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Marion around 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I have an idea.
Fairmount around 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Okay, car, take this!
4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Did it work?
Upland and Van Buren around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh, that was a big one. But still, how am I going to get this car started?
Sims, Arcana,
Oh wait,
Normal,
I think I know. You know what, Annabelle? I'm just gonna come with you because you're probably gonna get the wrong cheese.
Avoid windows. Keep outdoors.
Annabelle? Annabelle. Oh, finally got it started. Oh, and that fell off, but I don't care. I'm gonna go. Annabelle, where are you? Oh my God! Are you okay? I like cheese! No, Annabelle, I'm not okay. You cut off my head again. Well, I'm sorry, Bloom. I was just trying to drive to Randall's, but then you had to get in the way. Well, Annabelle, I just wanted to come with you because I thought you would get the wrong cheese. What? The wrong cheese? Who do you think you are, LeBron James? No, I'm not gonna get the wrong cheese. Oh, yeah? Then which one were you gonna get? Colby Jack? See, yeah, you were gonna get the wrong one. I wanted you to get Swiss. Ew, Swiss? That reminds me of my ex-wife. You don't have an ex-wife, Annabelle. Yes, I do. Her name is Barbara. She works at the barber shop. The barber shop. Yes.
What seems to be the problem this time?
Well, I hit her with my car, and now she's decapitated again.
Oh, Lord. What are we gonna do about this one?
Well, can you fix it? Because she's, really mad at me that I did it. She told me not to do it, but then I did it again, and now she's, really mad. So please just fix it.
I'll give it the old college try.
But do you know how long it'll take?
Probably a long time, maybe 6 hours, give or take 20 minutes.
6.5 hours later.
All right, the surgery's over with. It was a success.
I think I just pooped.
All right, Bloom, you're all set to go.
Hey, Bloom, since you got your head back, do you want to stare at the sun with me? Ha ha ha! Annabelle, I'm not staring at the sun with you. You cut my head off again when I told you not to. I'm not doing anything with you. Well, are we still going to Randall's to get cheese? Why, so you can run over me and cut my head off again?
You're not going anywhere. You need your rest.
Yeah, I know, that's why I'm not going again. Well, thank you so much for fixing your head, so now we can stare at the sun and eat strawberries until our esophaguses turn red and dance like there's no tomorrow!
You're welcome?
Yeah, do you want to stare at the sun with me?
I've got other patients. Sorry.
What? Why don't you want to stare at the sun with me? Who do you think you are, John Cena?
Hey there, how you doing?
Hey guys, it's Hasa. Oh my dog, I really need to take these off. These look hurt. Comment, like, and subscribe, and bye-bye.
Darling, I love you.